Hammer time. All right. Good morning, y'all. We got in this Whirlpool, and let's see what it does. All right, you know the drill. Left, right, 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 left, right. And that puts us in our flash mode. One click, and that's the fault codes. That's off balance load. And that's it. That one and that one. All right, clear them out. Suspension rods seem tight. Ooh, but look at the rock in that drum. Stripped hub. Now we get the fun part of getting the wash plate out. Yay! All right, pop the cap off of the wash plate. 7/16. All right, first we try the hooks. Airbag time. And oh, if you haven't already, hit the like and subscribe. We're on our way to 700. Come on, let's get to 7. All right, so usually I use one of my hooks and I pry up on the wash plate and slip them on in, and then we'll get to pumping. Always put your bolt back in. Don't want to get hit in the face with it. All right, start pumping them up. I usually try and go evenly as best I can. And then give it a little rappy tap. Try and move that thing a little bit. Try and give it the juice, WD, PB blaster, whatever you got. Run the bolt up and down a few times. Just try not to strip it. You want to just give it a good tap with the impact. Looks like someone's been trying to get it out. All right, it's hot water time. Time to heat some juice. Hot water time. Y'all don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to the channel. We're on our way to 700. Let's go! Man, this one's really stubborn. I might have to bust it out of there, but again, try and zip it up and down. Then I'll let the air back out. Give it a hit a few more times with the hammer, and then pump it back up. Try the hot water again. It's just sometimes they don't want to budge. I'm about to get the grinder on it. Here I'm going to try something different and just switch the bags around to a different spot. One time an old timer told me to fill the baby back up with water. Just let it sit soaked in water, so I tried that. Hammer time. Mama says wear safety glasses. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Don't forget. Here I'm just busting off the rest of the plastic, but even after grabbing the fork here and trying to pry up on it and tap on it, still wouldn't go. So, grinder time. Last little bit. All right, it's hub time. So you just got to pry that U-clip off of the middle there. And then there's 6 Phillips heads to get the old hub off. Clean up the shaft the best you can with a scribe and a brush. Not the worst I've seen. Now this tub has a lot of play in it, so I'm going to use one of these bins bushings. I think this is the black one. And you just press it over, and I use one of these sleeves that come in one of the kits from the old Cabrios, and it fits right over the shaft, and you can just tap it down in there. Really simple. And these things seem to be working. They're taking a lot of the play out of the tubs, and sometimes I use the metal hub, but this one the splines look good, so I'm going to use the plastic one. All right, line up the new hub with the holes, and I like to tap them down too with that little sleeve, and you can tell when it bottoms out. Go ahead and zip the 6 Phillips heads in. I go in a crisscross pattern to make sure the tub kind of sucks up to it. Man, sorry this is a long one. Don't forget the U. Put the U in. All right, then install your used wash plate if you got one. Good thing I did, because these things are like $100. All right, after all that, let's do a recalibrate. Left, right, 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 left, right. Flash mode. Rinse, recalibrate. Now it's gonna do its dumb stuff. All right, let's load this baby up and see if it gets off balance then. Yeah. That's a little off balance. Oh, it's trying. That's the worst load with that big blanket. Nice. Alrighty, y'all. Thanks for watching. That's another hub video, but this one, the wash plate would not come out. And that's our problem right there, that rust on the hub going to the shaft. Sticks, the hooks didn't work, the bags didn't work, hot water. Good thing I had a used one, hammer time. But thanks for watching, y'all. Hit the like and subscribe to the channel. Gonna make it to 1,000 one day. One day. Might be next year, but we gonna do it. Thanks.